Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link your PayPal account to Instacart. If you don't have an Instacart account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar grocery and food delivery apps for you to sign up. If you already have an account, open the website instacart.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for your account settings. Click on your account settings. On the left side of this page, you will see several tabs. Click on Payment Methods. On this page, you will see a blue PayPal button. Click on the blue PayPal button. Now, log in with your PayPal account. You could choose either to receive a one-time code on your phone number, or try another way by logging in with your PayPal login credentials. Once logged in, select how you wish to pay with. In this case, I chose to use the PayPal balance first, then charge the rest to my another card. After that, click on Agree and Continue. And now your PayPal account has been linked. That's how you link your PayPal account to Instacart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.